Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to Shivsumundra waterfall and Varuna lake for water adventure sport. If you enjoy my video, hit the like button and kindly subscribe my channel. We are here at Shivsumundra and I came here to see the waterfall. And waterfall is right behind me. Yeah, let's see how it goes. And it's very sunny day. And I came from Bailakupe. It's around 140 kilometers from my hometown. My suggestion is don't go during April times because during summer time it used to be too hot and you are not allowed to go inside the water. Now I'm here at Varuna Lake, which is for adventure water sport, and I drove around 90 kilometers from that waterfall and I got really tired. Varuna Lake have so much to offer and also it's very cheap, 100 rupees per hour. And if you go to Goa and do some adventure sport, which it will cost more than 500, so you can enjoy here at Varuna Lake, just 12 kilometers from Mysore Palace.